Right there, fishing buddies, welcome back to the channel, and see what we've got in store for you today. Take care all. You join me today. I've come down to a good friend, and I've just been digging some worms over and stuff, getting some worms. Managed to get my worm pot, so got some double worms, and we're off to a little river. I'm about 6 miles from my house. So it's 6 mile there, 6 mile back, 12 mile out to keep that. And target species today, I've been told there's dace, chub, odd perch, and I think that's about species. Roach, barbel, I've heard there's a barbel in it, a few barbel, but you never know, do you? So let's see if we can catch loads of fish, see if we can get some of these species caught, and see you all again. Right then, fishing buddies, so what I'm doing, I'm walking down to the river, taking my rod and everything, backpack, everything to hand. So it's about a 2-minute walk. I'm gonna get down there, have a look at the river, and like I said, see what fish we can catch. So it's quite later on in the afternoon at the moment, so I might only get a couple of hours. So let's see what we can get. Take care. Hello. So, just about to jump in the river. Just using the rod I usually use, the reel, same size braid, 10-pound braid on that, and a little dibber float. Gonna wade through the river, got my waders on, and got my bait aside, my fins to hand again. The river looks a bit dirtier than usual, so I'm gonna walk through here, try and trot through, fish all these bits, and see how I get on. So we'll catch some fish. I've just been walking up and seen a deer as well, so it's not every day you see one of them. So lovely and quiet around here, and a couple of hours peace and quiet, and see if we can catch some fish. And we'll wait for this first pull. This is the first cast I've got single maggot on. There we go. Trot it down. Oh, branch fish, sound. There we have it. Got the first fish. Baby little dace. That's another species straight off my list. Number 1. There we go, I've got another one. A bit bigger dace. Lovely fish. Number 2. I've just lost one, so I'm going to just keep fishing this swim. See how many I can pick up. Seems to be like a deep hole here, a little eddy. Obviously I've got waders on so I can wade through. I don't want to spook swim. Right under my feet, that is. Just putting that flow a bit. Not been feeding any bait. There you go, another bite. It's number 3. Only small fish, but like I say, a little dace. Trying to catch as many fish as I can. So I've got a few maggots, not many, but I've got a few. Really windy today, so I do apologise for the wind. Sorry about that, I had maggot in my mouth trying to help maggot. I'm doing what I'm doing. I said there's no casting it out, I'm only flicking it. Let's see if we can get some out of this part first. There you go. I feel like a better fish as well. Slow down. Love a little dace. There's a dace. I'll have a look when I get him. Yeah. In fact, it's more like a chub, but I'll give it as a dace. It's a dace. Beautiful fish. And he goes. Number 4. So as I bring him in, I'll keep video recording. Another one. There's plenty of fish in this river. That's another dace. Number 5. I know there's some chub in here. I've been told there's some chub. So I'm going to change that maggot. Another one. What's this one? Plenty of fish here. Another dace. It's number 6. Speed fishing. Oh, that was another one. That one's come off. Don't count. Even though I did touch it, don't count. It was a dace, but don't count. There you go. What's that one? You can see I'm clearly touching that. Another dace. Number 7. I think. Losing track myself. Really windy. Keep in wrapovers. That one's a bit better. Can't believe how many little fish are actually in this part. Better dace. I've not brought my GoPro today, so there are no underwater releases, but there they go. That one's going to be a bit better fight. Beautiful, beautiful dace these are. Absolutely beautiful. Another clunk one. Look at that. Beautiful fish. There they go. And all I'm doing is just flicking it down like that, just dropping it. Taking it out fast float. Little dibber float. Great little bit of sport. There you go, it's going. What's that one? Oh, that way a little chublet. Damn it. I need a chublet. Not had a chub yet on species list. I know there's a little chub in here. Right under my feet. It's unbelievable. There we go, another little dace. Just moved angles. You can see some bits of fish topping further down. So what I'll do is watch my video and tally all this up when I'm editing, because I've actually lost count of how many we've had. Just trotting it down now, trying to go trotting down. And see, I've just seen a few bigger chub. I think they look like chub jumping, so hopefully we'll get a better fish. Just trotting that dibber right down. There you go, fish on. I don't know what it is. Please be a chub. I need another chub. I need a chub. And sadly, it's another dace. Like I say, I keep getting these dace. There he goes. Really bad with wind again today. Wind's wrapping line round. Oh, for that very good fish there at the bottom. It's a really sandy bottom, so when you're walking through it's sending sediment down as well. Like I say, watching that deer earlier, that was good. They got bite, missed it. Got a good bite. That seems like a better fish. Oh, that was a better fish. It's come off. Typical, come off. Just hooked into a better fish. Don't know what it is yet. That is not. It's a roach. Yeah, I know I've knocked my roach off my species list already, but that is a clonk of a roach. Got a bit of black spot going off. Yeah. Beautiful fish. Away he goes. So as you can see, I'm just trotting it down. Still at the same swim, trotting it down. Just picked up that nice roach. It's another fish. They don't half jump. It's another dace. I think that maggots had it there. Catching that many, I'm not. I don't think I need to change bait up in it. I see I keep getting right rounds. 1 second. Let's move a bit further down the river and up into this one. And this looks like another decent roach. It is another decent roach, look. A beautiful fish. There he goes. It's got another one right under my feet, these. What's this one? It's a baby little roach. That one's got black spot a bit as well. I said plenty of little fish. It's banging me miles up, which I need. Another fish. Oh, that one's come off. So that one's on. Look at that. Straight into another fish. One off and one on. There's that little chub. That's it. Stop kicking about. Now it's another dace. Tail with the mouth. Another little dace, look. And away he goes. Well, that's the smallest one at the session. Tiny, tiny, tiny little fish. Tiny little bleak. That's our little dace. Wish it were a bleak. I needed one of them off my species list. Tiny. Away he goes. That wind's starting to pick up now. I know where them chub are. I've actually fished this river before, so I know where the chub are. Or where they used to hang about. Obviously they do move about. So I might walk straight, there you go. Walk straight down there and try and get a chub. So I do need a chub off my species list. Getting plenty of bites here. Plenty of fish. Bit species what we're after. Like I said, I've used quite a few miles to get here. Kind enough that a friend's come and pick me up and drop me off. few hours in river to myself. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk further down. So I want to click this up, tighten everything up, like I say, fins to hand, and I'm going to walk further down. But what a gorgeous river to walk through, absolutely beautiful, love the grounds. And before I fall in the deep old bit, I'm going to get out. This used to be a lot shallower. I remember this being a lot shallower than it is now. I'd love to see that deer again. But love the river. Let's go and try and get one of these chub. I think I've done quite a few fish up to now, so I'll carry on trying to catch as many as I can. When I've got a chub, I think I'm definitely going to go and try and get this chub. So stay tuned, everybody. I was walking down. Trying to find these chub. I've got Polaroids on. I know roughly where they hang about. So I was going to see if I find them. Well, last time I come this drainage pipe weren't here. This weren't flowing through like this, so it must have had quite a lot of rain. I've had a quick go in this spot. There's none here. But as I walk down further down, there's a spot down here, so I'm getting water. Be really quiet and try and trot it through. Where that deep eddy is there, that's where I think I'll get them. So if not, I'm going to walk through and see what I can do. Just got this fish in this deep hole. I'll sort and drag it out. And hopefully it might be a chub. Oh yes. And we've got, come here mate. Oh, it's not, it's a dace. It's a beautiful dace. Look at the size of that for a dace. What a beautiful fish. Away it goes. Yeah, I just caught him just this deep hole. It's hard trying to get it in. Saw it all out because it trees. Trot it down, look. And there's a tree right where I want to be able to see. So you have to hook yourself over it. Wait for the float coming down. No. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, that was a good fish. That was a good fish. Right on end at trot. See if we can drop it down under this bit. It's really hard to see it because of this branch, isn't it? Big branch. Just found a deeper hole up. Dropped it down. That's a roach. I've just come out of the river 2 minutes off. To have 2 minutes. He's gone back in. Got another fish. Feels like a better fish as well. Fighting well. Yeah. There you go, another dace. It's a little bit deeper this hole. Keep trotting it down. There you go, another fish. Oh, he's come off. I've had that many. I might end up putting a worm on trying to get these chub. I'm sure they used to be chub here last time I used to fish it. So it's a while ago since I fished it. There you go, another bite. Plenty of bites. Loads of fish. Another better fish, I think. Here's gonna be a better fight. What's this one? Please be a chub. Yeah, it's another dace. It's just full of dace. That's another one. Another mile in my keep net. At least, like I say, I've got dace off my species list now. It cost me quite a few miles to get here. I knew I'd be catching fish, but I was expecting a few more species, if I'm honest. We'll go down with double maggot. One white, one red. I don't think it matters what you put on, if I'm honest. I'm not putting no bait in. I put a tiny little bit, couple of maggots in before they started trotting down, but there's plenty of fish here. They're feeding really well. That feels like a better fish. Come on, snag. That is a better fish. Come on. What's this one? Oh, yeah, it's a chub. Please, 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 it's a chub. Landing net, landing net, landing net, landing net. Yes! Got a chub. Told you there were chub in here. So, really happy with that. Super. Just hooked into another fish as well. Another good one. They're slowly getting a bit bigger. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful dace. Look at the size of that for another good dace. Absolute super. Well, I'm enjoying this. I'll probably got about another half an hour's fishing left. Fish a chub. It's just really easy. And again a bit smaller. What's this one? Another little dace. Brilliant, absolute brilliant session I've had. Catching fish. Really enjoyed it. De-stress. Proper enjoying it. There we go, we've got another one. Another little dace on double maggot. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh. So if you can hear people at the background. There you go, fish. Well, this one is. Back in water again. I think it's a chub. Yeah. Another nice fish. Another fish on. Another one of these days. It's been brilliant today. Really enjoyed it. I've not got much longer left to fish, so I think I might have a couple more trots down, and then time to start heading back. But 2 species off the list: chub and dace. I said I've had that roach, or a few couple of roach, but I've had them before, so I'm going to tell all my fish up at end once I do my editing, and we'll see where we're at with this rod race. Take care all, thank you. No one there, look. Oh, he's gone. Oh, that feels like a better fish. It feels like a good fish. Oh, there's a pike going for it. There's a pike going for it. See that pike? Chub. There's a pike right under my feet. There you go, there's a chub there. I think I've got a spinner in my back. Oh, it's come off. Well, that chub's gone. Hopefully, it'll be alright. I hope I got that on camera. I don't know if I've got a spinner in my bag. He wanted that. I know I'm sure I might have got a spin, I don't know. That pike's right under my feet. I didn't even know there was a pike in this river. There you go, that shows you. I'm not getting a bite now, look. There you go, I've got a fish. Right, let's keep down for this pike. It's a good fish as well. Oh, pike's underneath it. I can see it, jack. It's a jack. It's a jack. He's right on my feet. Right. I'm sure I've got some little... Go on, mate. You go in there. You go. Right, I'm going to stop it a second. Right, here we go. I've got a little jig head. I'll try this. It's all I've got in my bag. We're expecting to come for Pike, but I've seen him. See if I can get him on. I see him right under my feet. Oh. It definitely lives in this little bit then, doesn't it? Definitely worth a little pike, little jack pike, seen it. Well, 5 more minutes for it, like I say, I haven't, but it's supposed to be heading back. See if he's moved a bit further down. This must be his lair. He definitely chased that chub. Oh! I've got him on. Not believe I've got him. Oh, he's come off. I had him on. I don't think he felt up. Let's have another go. Ah, definitely had it on. Well, that's me done anyway. Like I say, I've had a enjoyable afternoon. Walking back up the river to where my stuff were. Yeah, I've seen that pike. Definitely pike that. Seen it a few times. Look, I've had it on, but luckily, well, unluckily for myself, but luckily for him, he come off. So yeah, so I've ended up with 2 species off list. Really enjoyed it. Massive thanks to my friend for bringing me down. So see you at next one, people. See you again. We're out there fishing buddies, so I'm just sat here doing editing, and there was 12 miles, it's there. There was 25 mile left in keep net. I caught 29 fish, sadly there's 42 miles left in keep net, and I've got rid of 2 species. So stay tuned and see you next one. Time to get God ready for his next adventure. So, God's ready to go out next time. Before we end this video, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Dave Lyons. He's the co-founder of Tackling Minds. So, please check this guy out. Absolutely awesome job that this man's doing. He's going around helping people out and doing stuff for people with mental health and anxiety. Obviously I struggle with some stuff, so please check him out. I'll try and put a link in the description below if I can find out how to do that. So like I said, I'm not that good with technology, I'm just learning all the time. So definitely check this guy out, absolutely brilliant. And tight lines to all, and let's see if we can catch some fish on my next video. Take care again all. So I've left a link in the description below if you want to check out my Facebook group and this Tackling Minds Facebook group. So thanks ever so much. So I'd like to thank you to everybody. Thanks all the fishing buddies. Thanks everybody for your support. Don't forget, I'm a fishing buddy, and every subscribers we will be having a prize giveaway. Thanks again for watching.